What's up guys, in this video we're going to be walking through how to use an axe, and even though this is a small axe it still does the job. Basically it's a lot easier than I think people think. Like cutting a tree from this way axially is, or radially, sorry, it's not the way to do it, and I'm sorry it's a nerd term, but if you cut it radially like this, you can see how there's now these cracks near the blade. So with this one, that piece just comes right off, and all you're doing is splitting the wood. So very easy stuff. So you just put an axe in here and just do it again. Look how there's these cracks. Then you take some kind of hammer and then just apply some taps. Note how these cracks are now bigger, and then you just took off a fairly large piece of this wood, and you just repeat the process, and that's how you use an axe. Obviously be careful, wear gloves, eye protection, face mask, long pants. Don't do this around other people, and know that you very well could slip, and this thing's really sharp. So yeah, pretty easy stuff. Hope this helps, and thanks for watching.